All right, today in Power BI, I'm going to show you how we can create a custom layout using design features that aren't typically available in Power BI. If you've been using Power BI for any amount of time, you've likely noticed that there's a lack of custom formatting options available. For example, it's hard to create things like gradient backgrounds, and you don't have the option to add box shadows or other modern UI design features. A quick workaround we can use to implement these features, however, is PowerPoint. PowerPoint makes it really easy to add a custom layout for ourselves because PowerPoint and Power BI have roughly the same default dimensions. So we can design our layout in PowerPoint, save it as a PNG, and then go back to Power BI and import it as our background. This means we can add these gradient backgrounds, these box shadows, and we can create more custom UI options like this. We can even add other effects like glow effects or neon looking effects. So in Power BI, once we've saved our design in PowerPoint as a PNG, we can simply come to Power BI, import these designs as an image, and all you have to do is expand it to fill the whole screen, and now you've got your background. You send this to the back, and now we are able to layer other visualizations right on top of it. It makes it really easy to get a custom modern looking UI without much additional work. Hopefully that's helpful and can help you create some more better looking reports.